We've all heard the big names, but what about the hidden gems right here at home? Let's take a closer look at Camelot Ghana Limited, a company that has been a quiet force for over 60 years. Are they a good investment? Let's break it down using simple, real-life examples so you can make your own smart decision. What is Camelot Ghana Limited? Your money's boss. Camelot Ghana Limited, CMLT, isn't just any company. It's a leader in the printing business in West Africa. Think of every important document that needs to be super secure, like your checkbooks, bank statements, or even ballot papers for elections. Camelot is one of the companies trusted to print them. They've been doing this since 1963 and have been listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange, GSE, since 1999. What they do: security printing, business forms manufacturing, and commercial stationery printing. Now let's talk about the numbers in the graph. This is where we see how the company is performing. The price of one share is GHC 0.14. This is the cost to buy a single piece of the company. Camelot's market cap is GHS 956.2K. This is the total value of the entire company on the stock market. You get this by multiplying the share price by the total number of shares. This is a relatively small number, meaning it's a small cap company. Making a smart decision. Here's a quick summary to help you decide if this is an investment for you. The company has been around for a long time and has a strong foundation. Its share price has grown significantly in the last year, 16.67%. This shows the company is performing well. Its share price has grown significantly in the last year, 16.67%. This shows the company is performing well. The wait, I need to know more. The zero volume trades and low liquidity are things to consider. Investing in an illiquid stock means you might not be able to sell your shares when you want to, or you may have to sell them for a lower price. This is a risk. Conclusion: so what's next? Camelot Ghana Limited is a great example of a local company with a strong history and recent growth. While the past performance is impressive, it's crucial to understand the risks, especially the low trading volume. My advice: always do your homework. Look at their financial reports and recent news to get the full picture. Would you rather invest in a well-known company with a stable price or a smaller one with the potential for big growth and bigger risk? Remember, this is not a financial advice. Start your research, talk to a stockbroker, and get on the path to financial freedom. Comment Camelot in the comment section if you would consider them as an investment option. Wait, we appreciate your support. Like and share with friends and family. Follow and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.